This is Realme 12 4G, so let's go for unboxing it. I've never seen a charger this fast in this price range. Have you seen like this charger in this price? It's 80 watt. Whoa, the design like Realme 12 Pro Plus, if you remember it. As you can see, like Realme 12 series. In this price, we have sensor from Sony and OIS. Also, we have 120 refresh rate and 67 watt. I see button for power, not fingerprint. So I think fingerprint under display. And I see mic for ANC, also I can see stereo. If you think all these cameras are real, then you are wrong. Because we only have 2 actual cameras. From the first impression, I can see this screen was colorful, so I love it so much because it's Super AMOLED. The camera takes a great picture in daylight and the colors are vibrant and accurate. Also, this camera has a good dynamic range. In the portrait mode creates a beautiful bokeh effect, as you can see. Also, this camera has 50 megapixels, so we can see some details from it. Now let's listen to its sound. It's a stereo speaker. And now let's test the fingerprint, but it's so slow because the processor from Snapdragon 685.